the box of 11-12 Crown Royale. Thank you very much to Mugwag and Quentin. Sorry, Mugwag and Glenn getting this filled so we could do this tonight. Box number is 402. Tommy grabbed a few spots as well, making sure we do at least 3 breaks on Toonie Wednesday. Kind of a slow night, so these guys helped out. Don't see any patches in there, so we'll just go one by one. Oh, we have a redemption. Lords of the NHL for the Vancouver Canucks, Daniel Sedin. And our redemption, ooh, rookie silhouette signature prime materials. So it is number 184. Who could that be? Come on, be a big one. Rookie silhouette signatures prime material. Number 184. Damn it. Aaron Pelushai for the Montreal Canadiens. I was hoping it's someone better. Aaron Pelushai for the Montreal Canadiens. Even though it's expired, Panini still honors it. So whoever has Montreal, let me know if you want the code only, and I can send it to you so you can get it quick. What's up, Timmy? For the Chicago Blackhawks, we have a mythology of Dennis Savard and a ruby of Jimmy Howard for the Detroit Red Wings. Ooh, we have a silhouette, rookie silhouette. Nice. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Nice hit. For the Toronto Maple Leafs, rookie silhouette patch, Jake Gardiner. Look at that patch. Look at that patch. Number 8 of 25, Jake Gardiner for the Stinky Leafs. Nice looking card. Wow, 2 rookie silhouette patches in this box. Very nice. And for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Manon Rhéaume. Nice box. Here's to the Throne jersey card for the Nashville Predators and the rookie of Matthias Ekholm for the Nashville Predators. That was a good box of Crown. Very nice. So that was group break number 372, guys. Thank you very much for helping fill it, and we'll be back with more.